Today our topic is web hosting. The genesis of web hosting from humble beginnings to global connectivity. The inception of web hosting can be traced back to the early days of internet when individuals and businesses first sought ways to make their presence known in the virtual world. In the nascent stages, hosting a website was a manual and labor intensive process. Each web server had to be physically maintained, and connectivity to the internet was a precious commodity. As the internet evolved, so did the demand for easier and more accessible ways to host websites. The concept of shared hosting emerged, allowing multiple websites to coexist on the same server, thereby reducing costs and making web hosting more attainable for a broader audience. The role of web hosting providers navigating and digital landscape. Web hosting providers are digital landlord. Web hosting providers serve as the digital landlord of the internet, offering space on their servers for individuals and businesses to house their websites. These providers invest in powerful infrastructure, maintaining an ecosystem where websites can thrive. Diverse hosting solutions. The evolution of web hosting has given rise to various hosting solutions tailored to different needs. Shared hosting, virtual private servers, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting each offer a unique set of advantages, catering to the diverse requirements of digital landscape. Choosing the right hosting plan. Selecting the right hosting plan involves a careful consideration of factors such as website size, expected traffic, technical requirements, and budget constraints. A well informed choice ensures optimal performance, scalability, and cost effectiveness. Web hosting technology is driving the digital revolution. Server technologies. The hardware and software powering web hosting servers have evolved significantly. High performance servers equipped with advanced processors, ample RAM, and storage solutions are the backbone of modern web hosting. Control panels. Control panels such as cPanel and Flask provide users with the initiative interface to manage various aspects of their hosting accounts. These platforms simplify tasks such as setting up email accounts, managing files, and installing applications, making web hosting more accessible to users with varying technical expertise. Automation and scripting languages. Automation tools and scripting languages such as PHP, Python, and Ruby empower website owners to automate routine tasks and enhance the functionality of their websites. This is not only streamlines web development but also contributes to dynamic and interactive nature of modern web. Web hosting and the user experience making the digital world accessible. Domain names and DNS. The seamless operation of the internet relies on domain names and domain name system. Users access website by entering human readable domain names into their browsers. The DNS translates these names into corresponding IP addresses, directing users to specific servers hosting and desired content. Website performance and loading speeds. The efficiency of web hosting directly influences website performance and loading speeds. Fast loading websites not only enhance user experience but also contribute to improved search engine rankings. Web hosting providers play a crucial role in optimizing server configurations to achieve optimal performance. Bandwidth and storage. Bandwidth amount of data transfer between servers and users is a key factor in ensuring a smooth user experience, particularly for websites with high traffic. Storage space, on the other hand, dictates the capacity for storing website files, database, and multimedia content. Security in web hosting safeguarding the digital realm. Data encryption and SSL certificates. In an era of increasing cybersecurity threats, web hosting providers implement encryption protocols and provide SSL certificate to ensure data transmitted between users and websites. This is not only protects sensitive information but also instills trust in online interaction. Firewalls and security protocols. Web hosting deploy firewalls and robust security protocol to safeguard servers from malicious attacks. Continuous monitoring and proactive measures are essential to detect and mitigate potential security threats, ensuring the integrity of hosted websites. Data backups and disaster recovery. Regular data backup and disaster recovery plans are integral component of web hosting services. These measures of ensure the resilience of website by allowing for the restoration of data in the event of unforeseen incidents, such as hardware failures or cyber attacks. The future of web hosting. Trends and innovation. Artificial intelligence in web hosting. The integration of AI into web hosting is an emerging trend. AI algorithms can optimize server performance, automate routine tasks, and enhance security measures. This evolution promises more efficient and intelligent web hosting solutions. Edge computing and web hosting. The rise of edge computing, where data processing are closer to the source, is influencing web hosting. By reducing latency and improving response time, edge computing enhances the user experience, making web applications more responsive and dynamic. Green hosting and sustainability. As environmental concerns come to the forefront, web hosting providers are exploring sustainable priorities. Green hosting initiatives focus on minimizing the carbon footprint of data centers through energy efficient technologies and the use of renewable energy sources. Serverless architecture. Serverless architecture is a gaining traction, allowing developers to focus on writing code. Without the need of many servers, this model, often associated with cloud computing, offers scalability and cost effectiveness, aligning with demands of modern web application. Conclusion. The ever expanding horizon of digital connectivity. In conclusion, web hosting is not merely a technical necessity, but a lifeline that connects individual businesses and ideas in the vast expanse of digital realm. As we navigate the complexities of web hosting, let us appreciate its transformative power in shaping the way we communicate, conduct commerce, and express ourselves online. Web hosting is more than a service, it is an enabler of possibilities, a facilitator of innovation, and a gateway to a global audience. By understanding its intricacies, embracing involving technologies, and prioritizing security and sustainability, we can ensure that the future of web hosting continues to be force of positive change in the ever expanding horizons of digital connectivity. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of significance of web hosting in modern era. In conclusion, web hosting is not merely a technical necessity, but LinkedIn that connects individual businesses and ideas in the vast expanse of the digital realm. As we navigate the complexities of web hosting, let us appreciate its transformative power in shaping the way we communicate, conduct commerce, and express ourselves online. Web hosting is more than a service, it is an enabler of possibilities, a facilitator of innovation, and a gateway of global audience. By understanding its intricacies, embracing involving technologies, and prioritizing that the future of web hosting continues to be a force of positive change in their ever expanding horizons of digital connectivity. Edge computing and web hosting. The rise of edge computing, where data processing occurs closer to the source, is influencing web hosting. By reducing latency and improving response time, edge computing enhances the user experience, making web application more responsive and dynamic. Green hosting and sustainability. As environmental concerns come to the forefront of web hosting, providers are exploring sustainable practice. Green hosting initiatives focus on minimizing the carbon footprint of data centers through energy efficient technologies and the use of renewable energy sources.